Here for a guy. Ready. We're getting compound account. Did that to say. Back the language trace from last night, we're dealing with pullback, and that's because we have to respect our okay. And no matter what any of the leaders say, I want you to pay attention to where the RFI is. If it's too close to the 70 or too close to the 30, don't get into the discipline is everything, okay? GBP, JPY. Sorry. GBP, JPY, let's see what it did, broke out for a buy. This is a good buy.
Just drop one in the chat.
Okay, we saw that break it down. You can say it out loud.
USD CHF, you can take 5 for the buy.
How do you take 5 when USD CHF? Okay, GBP, JPY. It's a hold up on the buy that needs to be set. NZD, JPY is consolidating. Okay, I am still waiting for this to buy up. It was in the exact same place it was last night, which is crazy to me. Brought up a little bit, but pulled back, and so I want to see what it's going to do during this session. Go to a higher time frame really quickly. Yeah, this looks like it's going to reverse. Yeah. So NZD, you can hold that if you want to, or if not, get out of that. All right, let's go over here to gold. All right, gold is selling down. What is gold getting ready to do that we need to be very mindful of? Anybody know? What do we need to pay attention to? Advice. Yeah, but what is it doing in the box? It's really
Drops
important.
down under the 50.
Exactly. If it opens and closes beneath that 50, then 9 times out of 10, we're looking at a gold sale for today, okay? And I know some of you were waiting on that from last night. Okay. So let's look at that. Last night, we were looking to see if the candle was gonna open and close up here, right? Or beneath. And as you can see, and if it was green, right? So it's looking like last night we got red candles, came down here, opened and closed here, and continued to go down. You could have sold this if you were up trading to the 50. So now we're in the 50 zone. And so this is that area where the market is going to play because it's going to bounce from that 50. And we want to see if the candle that's getting ready to form in the next 4 minutes, is it going to form above or below the 50? Because that will tell us the direction of travel. The pluses are telling us to hold up on buying. There's a strong possibility that it is going to sell. Does that make sense? All right, now let's go over here to tech. Tech has been selling all night, which is great. Okay, so here it broke out for a buy. We got a break and retest. This will be our second pullback again for tech. We're going to find out today. If this candle pushes up to the top and closes up here, the 9 times out of 10 is going to continue to push up. If it comes down to the 50% line, then we should be looking for a sale. But even if we get a red candle, we can sell it to the 50%. So we just need to see which direction the candle is going to close. Am I on 2 devices? Okay, US 30 broke out for a buy and continued to buy up, okay? So US 30 is playing by the rules today. So I'm gonna be more, I'm gonna keep my eye on US 30. Okay, because US 30 is definitely consistent right now. More than anything, but we need to keep our eye on what? The RSI, right? We want to pay attention to the 70 on US 30, and we want to pay attention to the 30. Okay, so Pitmaster, are you gonna look at gold and Forex pairs? I think I'm just gonna look at US 30.
Yes. Looking at gold. Gold, anticipating this sale for gold right now. Coming on down.
And then you guys can buy US 30, take 5. You put the bills getting ready to ring, so you can go ahead and take 5 on US 30. Go ahead, what were you about to say? I just didn't understand.
Nothing. That was it. I was just looking at I was looking at gold, seeing what gold was doing as well.
Got it. All right, if you put 5 or 10, they both hit. Okay, US 30 hit, US 30 hit. Again, I'm putting the US 30 because it's following the rules of the strategy, right? We got our cross here for the purple line. We got a nice flat bottom. There isn't a plus up top. If you hit on US 30, please let us know. And so now, yeah, we're looking good on US 30. I'll let you know when the next one is ready. Please note it's close to the bill. So you really want to make sure that you're taking your 5. Very good. Harlan hit. Let's go. You should have hit on that, guys. I'm for you too. All right. We're very high in the RSI. So let me let US 30 pull back a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful push up. It's pushed through our barrier. Wanda hit. Very good. It's pushed through our barrier here. So we know that there's going to be a little pullback any minute now because I look at my RSI and it's very close to hitting the 7. Right? So I'm going to let this candle, remember when I told you when it pushes up really high, I'm going to let it pull back. I'm going to let it pull back. Okay? So I just wanted to pull back a little bit and then we're going to go ahead and get in US 30 again for the time. I do want to look at the banking technology and pull out. All right, good to go. How are you looking on the trading? And then I am watching, it looks like NZDJPY was moved in the direction that we needed to go in. Did y'all see how third day was that red candle? Looks like NZDJPY is in sync with US. Yeah. This here. So I'm watching NZD, it just crossed here, you can see that in purple. Got a break of structure candle on NZD JPY for the buy. I do want to get in this trade off the 15-minute chart more than anything, same thing. So I need a green candle here, and then NZD JPY will be ready. Let's come back up over here to US 30. We're just waiting for a little bit of pullback on US 30. Let me look. You see, there's your pullback, right? So people who get in after we say get in, this is what happens. And then you don't want to ever get in at the top of the candle. That is not where you want to go. And then how are we on gold? Gold is selling, eh?
Gold is playing. Gold is playing. So you get because you got a plus underneath on gold, but at the same token, and you got the yellow on top right now. So it's gold is playing, just waiting on gold to make a real decision here. Because gold could buy up to like 1857 or so before it pushes down. So it's playing. I'll wait to go X-ray. Have you looked at oil?
I have not looked at it. I think we want to distract. But I'll learn that thing is consistent. No, it's kind of doing the same thing, right? Let's see if it makes a clear decision to sail down. Where is it in the RSI? That's right, 26. Yeah, I'm going to US 30. Waves are looking nice on US 30. We need to just determine if the banks are coming in. And then gold looks like gold is going to make a decision actually sooner than later. There's a nice little push up here. Very nice. Okay, guys, 130, and then I will see if NAS wants to be consistent. Okay, again, US 30 has broken out of the box for a buy, right? And then let's have a look at tech. Tech went back into the box. We want to see if tech is going to go back out of the box here, which is looking like it could possibly do. We wanted to form that candle above the red line and keep this a high and flop. And we wanted to continue to go in that direction. All right, so let's get ready. We got about 12 minutes before the bell gets ready to ring. Those of you who are new to our community, welcome. You will love it here. We are getting ready to trade the New York Bell. Okay, New York Bell. And that is going to ring in about 12 minutes. And when it does, we're going to get some volatility in the market and then determine the direction of the market for the rest of the day. We are sharing with you strategies that you can use. The morning session is from about 9 to noon on the East Coast. You can translate that to your time zone. You can continue to trade. And what we're looking for, we're trading levels, and we are trading M5, which is right here on the right. Okay. And what you simply want is a purple line up, meaning that the market is going to buy up. Yellow line up top means that the market is going to sell down. And we're going to get in these trades until we get a plus sign. And then we are going to take 5 to 10 pips. When you're trading indices, there's no decimal. Okay. So 33,891, a lot of times you will hear us take 5. If I'm at 891 and take 5, I'm going to go to 896. Okay. That is going to be my take profit. If we are trading, let's say I'm waiting here right now on NZDJPY, you're looking at the 2 numbers after the decimal. Okay, so if I got in at 89.50 and I'm gonna take 5, it's gonna be 89.55. Only the two numbers after the decimal on JPY. 1 second. Okay. Only the two numbers after the decimal on JPY are the numbers that are changing. Please write that down. Okay, so if we got in at 89.50 and we are taking 5, we're gonna go to 89.55 to the back. The word sale, we would simply subtract 5, that would be 89.25. Okay, if we're taking 10, it's gonna be 89.60. So if it is a JPY pair of any kind, you're only looking at the two numbers after the decimal. Okay, now say it is not a JPY. Let's see. Let's say it was an NZD pair, okay, or AUD CAD pair. You're looking at the four numbers after the decimal. So AUD CAD is at 89.55. If I were going to take 5 to the buy, it would be 0.8960. Okay, so you're looking at the last four on a Forex page. That's really, really important. US 30 is great. It's really important that you know how to count your pips. We'll make sure that we are going over that in our study hall and have a video for you. Okay. So US 30 has great high up momentum. The RSI is very high. You need to be mindful of that. Okay. Mindful of that. I'm gonna let it pull back just a little bit more. But it's US 30 will bust through the RSI. US 30 is the only one where I really don't stress, but as you can see, US 30 will go way higher. Okay. Again, it's really close to the veil. So I think we will wait because the veil will create volatility. And if your trade does not hit immediately, and then the market decides to tank, you definitely can be kicked out of the trade, and that's not what we want. With the funded accounts, we are attempting to make sure that we minimize drawback.
Job.
The negative. We don't want you to be in the negative with a funded account. It's all about proper risk management. It's all about proper risk management. So you want to avoid that. You want to get in the market when the market is moving. And what's going to help you to be successful? If you're trading in a funded account, one, you need to look at the dashboard, okay, to see your drawdown. And two, you got to pay attention to the RSI more than anything within a funded account. You're not trying to get in at the top, you're not trying to get in at the bottom, okay? And then add a 50. This is what's going to help you to be successful. All right, so again, for your, how many minutes we got to be on time here? Okay, Forex, when you are counting pips, it is 4 after the decimal. Okay, that's for Forex. It's always going to be